There she is, my little star baby. What's going on? Hey, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Howard Rose. I'd like to welcome you to our little video. What you're going to be learning is how to make money online, and it's real simple and it's free. So all you do is just to get involved and watch the next video, and then you have a sign up page, and be able to be another video on there to explain more about the company. And go ahead and get started and get in for free. Start getting commissioned by shopping online. I'm not talking just we get over 200 some stores, Walmart.com, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, off the wall stuff, crazy stuff, and get paid commission on it. And the videos coming will explain more in detail about how this thing all works. But share this with everybody you know, and let's get you started. Have a great day.